Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series,
Wolff Bites. Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Hello.
Out of the 20 methods to master your fear, there's really two. There's really just two. There's this one and there's the other 19. Okay, that's how I want you to think about it. This should be your number one way you deal with fear. How do you deal with fear? You just take action. It's not complicated. You just identify when you're feeling fear, and then you look at your action checklist. You're going to have your schedule. You're going to have action items on either today form from our manual or a day timer or on your phone. And so anytime you start feeling fear, you just look at your to-do list and you start taking action. Now, if it's action that directly addresses your fear, like if you're feeling kind of nervous about making that call, like they called at 3 o'clock, your VA sent you the lead, and you looked at it at 3:30, but you didn't really have time right then, but you know you had it scheduled for 7, so you know you have your schedule is coming at 7, and so you've been thinking about that lead for a couple hours, and that's when the fear can kind of creep up on you, is when you don't make the call right away. Now, sometimes I don't want you making that call right away. I want you to fill out one of the closing call prep sheets that is in your book, okay? But you know, that will help you too. That's another way to overcome fear. If all that time has gone by and you know you're going to make that call and then 7 o'clock comes, I would want you to overcome the fear by taking direct action against the fear. So the fear is you're kind of scared of making that call and you're nervous about that call. Okay, so at 7 o'clock, first, you can listen to your psych up to make closing calls if you want for 7 minutes and then make the call at 7:08, or just make the call at 7. Okay, so it's great if you can address the fear directly by taking action directly against that fear. However, I'm telling you, if it's just a lot for you right now and that's a big fear and you just can't, at 7 o'clock, you're just not ready to grab the phone and pick it up and make that call, take other action. Take some other action. Look at the comps again. You should have already done this anyway, but if you haven't done it, do a little research. Do a little prep work. I'm telling you, preparation is a big killer of fear. So take action in other ways that indirectly sometimes get you back to confronting that fear directly. So this action, though, the first and absolutely first choice, your first and most productive thing is turn fear into action. So this should be your number one. What do we call ourselves in this room, guys? Actioneers.
We are Wolff Pack Actioneers.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, and so when you feel fear, what do? You take
Action. We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.